Hello friend, welcome to German Times. Today we will see German alphabet. This German alphabet consists of 30 letters in which the 26 letters are written exactly same as the English alphabet, but the pronunciation of the German alphabets are different. So let's see how these German alphabets are pronounced. Letter A of English is pronounced as A. A. Letter B of English is pronounced as B. B. Letter C of English is pronounced as C. C. Letter D of English is pronounced as D. D. Letter E of English is pronounced as A. A. Letter F of English is pronounced as same as it is pronounced in English, that is F. F. Letter G of English is pronounced as G. G. Letter H of English is pronounced as Ha. Ha. Letter I of English is pronounced as E. E. Letter J of English is pronounced as Yacht. Yacht. Letter K of English is pronounced as Ka. Ka. Letter L, letter M, letter N and letter O. These four letters are also pronounced as same how it is pronounced it is in English. That is, letter L is pronounced as L, letter M is pronounced as M, letter N is pronounced as N and letter O is pronounced as O. Letter P of English is pronounced as P. P. Letter Q of English is pronounced as Ku. Ku. Letter R of English is pronounced as R. R. Letter S of English is also pronounced as same how it is pronounced in English, that is S. Letter T of English is pronounced as T. T. Letter U of English is pronounced as U. U. Letter V of English is pronounced as Fau. Fau. Letter W of English is pronounced as Ve. Ve. Letter X of English is pronounced as X. X. Letter Y of English is pronounced as Epsilon. Epsilon. And letter Z of English is pronounced as Tset. Tset. These were the 26 letter which is written exactly same as in English alphabet. Now we come to the last four letters of German alphabet. They are called AZ, A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. The AZ letter look like beta and they are pronounced as double S. I repeat, the AZ look like beta and it's pronounced as double S of English. The A umlaut look like letter A of English with two dot on its top. I repeat, A umlaut is look like the letter A of English with two dot on its top. The another letter is O umlaut. It also look like the letter O of English with two dot on the top. I repeat, letter O umlaut is look like the letter O of English with two dot on the top. And the last letter OU umlaut is look like the letter U of English with two dot on the top. I repeat, U umlauts look like letter U of English with two dot on the top. This two dot is called umlaut. Now we will see the example of these German alphabets. A, Apfel. A, Apfel. That means apple. B, banana. B, banana. That means banana. C, cello. C, cello. D. Deutschland. D. Deutschland. That means Germany. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. That means elephant. F. Fish. F. Fish. G. Giraffe. G. Giraffe. That means giraffe. Ha. House. Ha. House. That means house. E. Immer. E. Immer. That means always. Yacht. Yogurt. Yacht. Yogurt. Ka. Kino. Ka. Kino. That means cinema. L. Liebe. L. Liebe. That means love. M. Man. M. Man. That means man. N. Nacht. N. Nacht. That means night. O. Orang. O. Orang. That means orange. P. Party. P. Party. Q. Quiz. Q. Quiz. R. Wrote. R. Wrote. That means red. S. Zona. S. Zona. That means sun. T. Tea. T. Tea. That means tea. U. Uhr. U. Uhr. That means watch. V. Vogel. V. Vogel. That means bird. V. Wasser. V. Wasser. That means water. X. Xylophone. X. Xylophone. Epsilon. Yoga. Epsilon. Yoga. Here the epsilon is pronounced as ya when it is written in a word. And set. Soup. Set. Soup. Now let's see the example of last four German alphabet that is completely different from English alphabet. They are as set, A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. The asset is pronounced as double S of English and its example is foosball. Foosball. That means football. A umlaut is pronounced as A, but when it is written in a letter, it is pronounced as A. For example, bear. Bear. O umlaut is pronounced as O, but when it is written in a letter, it is pronounced as yo. Yo. For example, shone. Shone. That means beautiful. And the last letter is U umlaut, which is pronounced as U, but when it is written in a letter, it is pronounced as U. U. For example, Tür. Tür. That means door. Thank you for watching this video.